Good evening, everyone. Today is Papamochani Ekadasi. On this occasion, we will read out one Sri Krishna Ashtakam. Supposedly, this has been read, or this Ashtakam has been told by Shankara Bhagavad when his mother has asked to give the Prakshaksha Darshana of Lord Vishnu. Sriyaslishtho Vishnuhu Sthirachara Gurur Veda Vishayo Dhyam Sakshi Suddho Harirasura Hantabjanayanaha Gadi Senkhi Chakri Vimala Vanamali Sthira Ruchihi Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah Sriyaslishto Vishnuhu Sthirachara Guruhu Veda Vishayaha Dhiyam Sakshi Suddho Hari Asurahanta Abjanayanaha Gadi Senkhi Chakri Vimala Vanamali Sthira Ruchihi Sharanyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. So this Ashtakam goes with every sloka ends with Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. So Saranya, one who is the refuge for everyone. Lokesha, Lord of Lokas. Mama Bhavatu Krishno, the Krishna, calling the Krishna, asking Krishna to become an object of vision. Akshi Vishayaha. Aksha is I. So I want to see you come and become an object of my vision. So let him be visible to my eyes. So that is the request to Krishna. So Yatas Sarvam Jatam Viyadanila Mukhyam Jagadidam Sthitau Nissesham Yovati Nija Sukham Shena Madhuha Laye Sarvam Swasmin Harati Kalaya Yastu Savibhuhu Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. Yatas Sarvam Jatam. So everything via the Anila Mukhyam, all the air, all the five bhutas, where everything originates, who is protecting everything. In everything is going and merging back in whom. That Saranya Lokesha Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishaya. Asuna Yamyadau Yamaniyama Mukhyai Sukaranaihi Nirudhyedam Chittam Hrudi Vilayamaniya Sakalam Yamimidyam Pasyanti Pravaramatayo Mayinamasau Sharanyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. So who take up the path of pranayama and breath control, doing yama niyama ashtanga yoga, then controlling the mind, merging the mind in the heart, then everything merges in the heart, and after merging everything, the great Mahamatis see that the fundamental principle, such fundamental principle is Krishna. Saranya Lokesha is the Sri Krishna. So we are asking him to come in front of an object of I. Prudhivyam tishthan yo yama yati mahim vedanadhara yamityadau vedo vadati jagatam ishamamalam niyantaram kheyam munisuran runam mokshadamasau Sharanyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. So the one who is Prudivyam Tishtam Yo Yamayati Mahim Vedanathara. yamityadau Vedo vadati. Who controls and runs or controls the movement of earth? One who is the Lord. The Veda declares him as the Lord. Niyantaram Dhyeyam. So those who are striving to see the Lord, on whom all the people put their object of Dhyeyam, the final goal of Munis, Muni Naran Runam Mokshadamasau, so who grants the final release, the moksha to all these trying people. Sach Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah Mahendradirdevo Jayati Ditijan Yasya Balato Nakasya Swatantriyam Kochidapi Krutau Yat Krutimrute Balaratir Karvam Pariharati Yosau Vijayinaha Sharanyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Akshivishayah. Mahendradi Devo, the gods like Mahendra, means Indra, Jayati Ditijan, the win over the sons of Diti, the darkness or the demons, Yasya Balato, by whose power the gods win over the demons. Nakasya swatantriyam kachidapi krutau yat krutimate. So nobody is winning on their own power. All the power actually belongs to the God. Balarater garvam pariharati yosau vijaniyanaha. So whoever thinks that I am the winner, such garvam, such pride, Dhyanam vrajati pasutam sukaramukham vinayasya jnanam janimruti bhayam yati janata vinayasya smrutya krumisata jatim yati savibhuhu saranyo lokesho mama bhavatu krishno akshivishayah. So by not having the dhyana, means goal as him, we keep coming back into multiple animal bodies. Okay, human body is also a type of animal body. Vinayasya jnanam janimruti bhayam yati janata. Without his knowledge, people get the fear of birth and death and birth. Okay. Vinayasya smrutya, without his memory, Krumisata janim yati sabibhuhu. Several types of lower being births will keep repeating. Saranyo lokesho mama bhavatu krishno akshivishayah. Narantakkotankascharana sarano bhranti harano. Ghanashyamo vamo vrajasi suvayasyorjuna sakhaha. Swayambhur bhutanam janaka uchitachara sukhadaha. Sharanyo lokesho mama bhavatu krishno akshivishayah. Sarana sarano bhranti harano ghanashyamo vamo, of dark color, vamo vraja sishu vayasyorjana sakhaha, friend of Arjuna. Swayambhu, born on his own volition. Bhutanam Janaka, father of all the Bhutas. Uchitachara Sukhadaha, people who follow the righteous path, gives the Sukha, happiness to them. Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Shivishayah. Yada dharmaglanir-bhavati jagatam kshobakarani tada lokaswami prakatitavapussetu dhrutajaha satam dhata swachcho nigamagana-gito prajapatihi sharanyo lokesho mama bhavatu krishno akshivishayah. Whenever there is a dharmaglani, so dharma, righteousness is getting impacted, there he takes a birth. Shariradhari. He becomes a Lokaswami Prakatita Vapussetu Dhrutajaha. So he takes up a body and becomes manifest whenever, wherever needed. Satam Dhata Swachho. So he is always pure. Swachha. Satan Dhata, who gives the righteousness. Nigamagana Gito Prajapatihi. So all the Vedas sing him as the father of Praja, all the people, beings, all type of things. Saranyo Lokesho Mama Bhavatu Krishno Kshivishayaha. Iti Harirakhilatmaradhita Sankarena Sruti Visada Guno Asau Matru Mokshadhamadhyaha Yativara Nikate Sri Yukta Avirbhabhuva Swaguna-kruti Udara Sankha Chakrabja Hastaha. This is the iti Harihi Akhilatmaradhitaha. Hari Akhilatma, everybody is Atma. Aradhita Sankarena. By the Sankara, he has been worshipped. Aradhita Sankarena. Sruti Visada Gunausau Matru Moksharthamadhyaha. So, for Matru Moksham, for her mother's, for his mother's liberation, Moksham, Mokshartham Adhyaha. Yetivaranikate Sri Yukta Avirbhabhuva Swaguna-kruti Udara Sankha Chakrabja Hastaha. By worshipped thus, with these 8 slokas, this Ashtakam called Krishna Ashtakam, Krishna has come with Sankha Chakrabja Hastaha, Sankha Chakrabja Hastaha, with Sankha Chakrabja Hastudu. He has shown himself up for the mother of Sankara. That is Sri Krishna Ashtakam. On this Papamochani Ekadasi, wishing one and all to get the blessings and of Sri Krishna. Let there be peace and happiness everywhere.